Oak Haven Massage was started in 2005 by Dr. Stephen Schul and is one of the largest massage centers in the country. With offices in San Antonio and Austin, we have over 130 massage therapists on staff. Both locations are over 7,500 square feet with 30 treatment rooms, a large training facility on site, and comfortable break room and lobby. Our spacious lobby allows clients to relax in comfort while waiting for their massage. Our break room allows therapists to relax between sessions. Our break room is equipped with Wi-Fi, computers, comfortable seating, a full-size fridge, and Keurig coffee maker. Our treatment rooms are equipped with hydraulic tables, table warmers, built-in cabinetry, and professional lighting. All equipment is provided and stocked and ready for the therapists. Oak Haven even offers on-site continuing education classes. We offer over 100 classes each year to our therapists, with topics such as deep tissue massage, myofascial release, prenatal, cupping, advanced neuromuscular therapy, and anatomy.